Okay, so in next rearrangement, in last two rearrangement we discussed, in last lecture we discussed Hofmann rearrangement as well as Curtius rearrangement. So it is the same as a Curtius rearrangement, but the reagent is changed here. In Curtius rearrangement, we use NaNO3, sodium azide used as a reagent, but here we use HNO3. It is a HN3 is used. It is a hydroxylic acid. Okay, so what is the general reaction? So RC double bond OH, carboxylic acid used as a starting material. So in a Hofmann we use amide. In a Curtius we use acid halide. In a Schmidt we use carboxylic acid. Okay. So when carboxylic acid reacted with HN3, it is a hydrazoic acid converted into amine. Converted into amine. So carboxylic acid used as a starting material. Here is the amine is product. Okay, so this is a general route, general reaction. So HNA3 is used. So what is the role of HN3? HNA3 is the acid. Okay, and you know, in a mechanism you can understand this OH plus HN3. So in HN3, it is acid, so it has tendency to giving the proton. So first of all, this O pick up the proton. Okay, and pick up the proton. N3 is lost first. So RC double bond OH2. So OH is bad leaving group. Cl is good leaving group there. N3 will directly attack. But here OH is bad leaving group converted into good leaving group. So here N3 is there. So after this loss, here two negative charge. आता हा जो negative charge आहे हा H लॉस झाल्यामुळे आणि ऑलरेडी ते पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह चार्ज N3 मध्ये असतातच. ओके, हा नॅचरल चार्जेस इज ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट. हा जो फॉर्मेशन झाला इथं लोन पेअर आहे. दिस चार्ज will attack. One of the charges attack because of already this HN3 is like that. Already त्याच्यावर चार्ज असतो. ओके, आणि त्याच्यामुळे हा चार्ज परमनंटली टू स्टॅबिलाइज द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. When H is lost, the negative charge is formed here. So that's why this nitrogen having the two negative charge. किंवा आपण इथं लोन पेअर दाखवा, दोन निगेटिव्ह चार्ज दाखवा, लोन पेअर दाखवतो. ओके, so this will attack on carbonyl to lose the H2O. म्हणजे काय होईल minus H2O. What form there? R C double bond O N negatively charged N किंवा दोन लोन पेअर दाखवा वाटल्यास काय फरक पडत नाही. Triple bond N. Here is a positive charge. And after this, you know the mechanism. What happened? Formation of nitrine. So loss of N2. Loss of N2 and formation of nitrine first. निगेटिव्ह दाखवा किंवा दोन लोन पेअर दाखवा. काही मेकॅनिझम मध्ये लोन पेअर असतात, काही मध्ये एक निगेटिव्ह चार्ज दाखवला. बोथ आर सेम. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बॅलन्स झाले पाहिजे. काय मिळाला? नायट्रीन. Okay, then nitrine will converted into isocyanate. So R N double bond C double bond O. So when isocyanate is formed, just add water, hydrolysis, you get R N H C double bond OH. And what is the last? Heating minus CO2. काय प्रोडक्ट तयार होईल? RNH2. काय तयार होईल? RNH2. So this is the mechanism. There is nothing is different. What is the change is here? Instead of NaN3, HNA3 is given. Why HNA3 is given? Because acid. So the H of HNA3, HN3 convert the OH into good leaving group. And then N3 will attack on carbonyl to depart the OH H2O. Then the loss of N2 will convert into nitrine. Nitrine after that rearrangement converted into isocyanate, and isocyanate on hydrolysis gives carbamic acid, which on decarboxylation gives amine as a product. So both are same, Curtius and Schmidt. Just only starting compound is different. In a Schmidt, the starting compound is carboxylic acid, In a Curtius, starting compound is acid halide. But we can start the Curtius also carboxylic acid. But first of all, we convert into acid halide first using SOCl2. In some time use PCl3 or PCl5. Okay, so convert it into acid halide and then they react with NaN3, which convert first into nitrene, then isocyanate, and then amine. So this is the rearrangement. Okay, so last is Lawson rearrangement. Okay, so what is the starting? When you want to know any rearrangement, first of all to know which starting material is used, which reagent is used, and after that which product is formed. You can easily understand the reaction, or suppose the reaction is given in MCQ examination, identify the reaction or identify the correct product. Okay, so just make your chart of when you finish the all rearrangement, name, starting, reagent and products. Okay, you make a table, a chart of these rearrangements. Okay, so in Lawson rearrangement, here the hydroxamic acid derivative is used. So ester and hydroxyl amine is react together. So here first of all hydroxamic derivative is used. This. Okay, this is used as a starting, but it is not readily available or directly available. So it will converted by the different way. So it will converted using ester plus NH2OH, ester and NH2OH. So this will attack here to loss OR with this, म्हणजे काय होईल minus ROH loss होईल आणि काय तयार होईल this derivative. This derivative react or used to the rearrangement. Once this derivative is used, the reagent is used here. So what reagent is used? So look at here. So OH minus is used. OH minus is used when this derivative is used. So due to presence of carbonyl group, hemi preparation आहे त्याचं, इथून rearrangement इथून start होते. So first of all, OH minus काय करणार आहे, याला पिकअप करून घेईल बेस, कारण की हा ऍसिडिक आहे. कोणामुळे? इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिव्ह ऑक्सिजन पण शेजारी आहे आणि इकडे कार्बोनिल पण आहे. सो आर सी डबल बॉन्ड N minus OH is here. Next, when after this abstraction, there is a water molecule is present, H2O means H plus. So this will convert it into bad living group into good living group. So R C double bond O N minus, here is a H2O, formation of good living group. So after that there is a loss of H2O. हा इथून remove होऊन जाईल and we get in the nitrine. काय मिळेल? Nitrine. Nitrine means there are two lone pair on nitrogen and one bond असतो, त्याला nitrine म्हणतात. एक बॉन्ड आणि दोन लोन पेअर त्याला नायट्रीन म्हणतात. आणि नायट्रीनचं कन्वर्जन होईल आयसोसायनेट मध्ये. Isocyanate will convert it into R NH C double bond OH, heating minus CO2 R NH2 R NH2. आता स्टार्टिंग असते इस्टर प्लस हायड्रॉक्झिलामाइन किंवा डायरेक्टली हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दिले असेल. ओके, इट इज अ हायड्रोक्सिक ऍसिड. It is a derivative of hydroxamic acid. It is a derivative. इस्टर, आता इस्टर पेक्षा ऍसिड पण दिलेला असेल की ऍसिड पासून पण ऍसिड यूज करत नाही. ऍसिड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट इनटू इस्टर, देन इस्टर रिएक्ट विथ हायड्रॉक्झिलामाइन आहे, याला म्हणतात हायड्रॉक्झिलामाइन. So ester plus hydroxylamine first of all convert into derivative, then derivative use the OH minus abstract the proton of NH, formation of negative charge, this OH pick up the proton and lost itself in the form of H2O and convert into nitrine. Then nitrine will convert into isocyanide on rearrangement. When you add the hydrolysis, do the hydrolysis, hydroxyl isocyanate converts into carbamic acid, which is on decarboxylation converted into amine. So this is all about the Lawson rearrangement. So just know or to identify the reagents, starting compound and product. So all four rearrangement which discussed today, first two rearrangement and these two rearrangement, all are from the amines as a product. All are the nitrogen deficient rearrangement. Okay. Same way we're going to discuss other deficient, oxygen deficient and other rearrangement also we're going to discuss. But there is a one more remaining nitrogen deficient we will discuss in later part. Okay. After that, we discussing next is Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann rearrangement. It is very interesting and sometimes mostly question asked on Beckmann rearrangement. So it is very important reaction. So what is the Beckmann rearrangement reaction? Basically, it is the rearrangement which convert the ketone into the substituted amide. Ketone into the substituted amine is the product. आता तिथं amine तयार झाला होता, but in the Beckmann rearrangement, substituted amide form as a product. So ketone first of all converted into oximes when they titrate with the hydroxyl amine. So when ketone is treated with the hydroxylamine NH2OH, ketone will treated with the hydroxylamine first. Any ketone, okay, cyclic ketone, aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone, any ketone, okay. So carbonyl convert into oxime first. So when it converted into oxime, how it converted into oxime? This is the mechanism I just showed to you. Lone pair of nitrogen attack on carbonyl, and the hydrogen is transferred here, convert into OH. Means here R OH NH OH. Okay, याचा OH झाला आणि नायट्रोजनचा अटॅक झाला. पुढे काय होईल? -H2O. This H2O molecule will lost. And what convert? Convert this is oxime. यालाच म्हणायचं oxime. And oxime used as a starting material for the Beckmann rearrangement. So it is the conversion of oxime into substituted amide. It is the conversion of conversion of oxime. So what is the rearrangement? It is the conversion of oxime into N substituted amide. You can write N substituted amide is the starting, is the change. So oxime converted into N substituted amide, and oxime is directly given to you, or sometimes you want to there is a given for the preparation. It will prepare from the ketone with hydroxylamine. And this is a practical also included in syllabus. There is a ketone will converted into oximes. Okay, so this is about the general. We're going to discuss the mechanism of this. So what is the Beckmann rearrangement? It is the conversion of ketoxime into acidic medium, okay, like sulfuric acid and other PCl3, SOCl2, etc. They will converted into the N substituted amide. So you just write the theory from the book. We're going to discuss here, but there is some questions. When, so I just write general reaction first here. Take oxime. Okay. Here use H plus, means acidic medium. Sometimes use R, SOCl2, R, PCl3, R, PCl5. why these are used? If H plus is used, means sulfuric acid is used, OH converted into H2O, OH converted into H2O, so to make a OH into good living group. हे जे reagent वापरले ते गुड लिव्हिंग ग्रुप मध्ये कन्वर्ट करण्यासाठी वापरलेले आहेत. म्हणून H प्लस म्हणजे सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड यूज करू शकतो. याचा H2O तयार होईल आणि तो निघून जाईल. SOCl2 वापरलं तर OH रिप्लेस बाय Cl, Cl इज गुड लिव्हिंग ग्रुप. PCl3 वापरला तर OH रिप्लेस बाय Cl, Cl is good living group. So that's why we use that to convert the OH into good living group form. Okay, so this is the reason. And here what happened? We get here R, NH, C double bond O. R is the product. N substituted amide. N substituted amide. That means one of the alkyl group is migrated on the nitrogen. But there are some difficulties. Not difficulties. Here is a single product is formed, but in some cases there is a formation of two types of product. If these alkenes, the ketone is symmetrical, getting the single product, but ketone is unsymmetrical, means both substituents are different, then we get the two types of product. In both the alkyl groups are shifted on nitrogen, means suppose R and R dash is given. So this is R, but in second case, suppose you write like that, R dash, both are different, then H plus. So we getting two kind of products, R, NH, C double bond O, R dash, and R dash, NH, C double bond O, R. Means in first case R is migrated, in second case R dash is migrated. So here two products are formed. Which is major and which is minor, it depends on migratory aptitude, which has more tendency to migration. Okay, we will discuss in later part. So this is a migratory aptitude. Okay. आता मायग्रेशन करायचं असेल तर कोणाचं मायग्रेशन करणार? मोठा टेबल आहे, छोटा टेबल आहे, कोणाचं मायग्रेशन लवकर होणार? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन. बल्कियर ग्रुप असेल तर डिफिकल्ट त्याचं मायग्रेशन असेल. हा, पण त्या बल्कियर ओके ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग असेल, एक ॲलिफॅटिक असेल, म्हणजे एक CH3 आणि एक फिनिल रिंग आहे, तर CH3 मायग्रेट होईल. फिनिल नाही होणार, फिनिल बल्कियर आहे, सो स्मॉलर ग्रुप इज मायग्रेट फर्स्ट. ओके, इन दॅट केस suppose you can imagine R dash is smaller, then this is major. If R is smaller, this one is the major. Okay, so this is the general form of reaction, general reaction. We're going to discuss one by one in with examples. Okay. So, ketone is given to you. The first reagent is hydroxylamine. Converted into amine first. It is the first step to your formation of mechanism. You know the mechanism, conversion into amine. So here just use H plus. Sulfuric acid is given to you. SOCl2 is given. Convert this into sulfuric acid असेल तर प्रोटोनेशन. काय होणार आहे? प्रोटोनेशन. R. Okay, this is the protonation first. So once it will converted into good living group, आता काय होईल बघा. One of the group is migrated. आता both are same, so this group is migrated on nitrogen. तुम्ही म्हणणार हा थोडा डेफिशियंट आहे, पण OH is good living group. Assume that it will lost. तो लॉस होतोय. So same time it is a simultaneous process. हा ग्रुप इथं मायग्रेट होईल, same time OH is lost. Sorry, H2 is lost. Same time H2 is lost. Okay. So when H2 is lost, it will convert. आता काय convert होईल बघा. R is migrated on nitrogen. Due to this, the carbon having the positive charge. So R कोणावरती गेला? नायट्रोजन. ओके, आता ह्या नायट्रोजन वर गेल्यानंतर नायट्रोजन and carbon there is a double bond. Carbon having one more alkyl group, but due to migration of group, carbon having positive charge. त्या कार्बन वरती काय येणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. बट दिस विल न्यूट्रलाइज बिकॉज शेजारी नायट्रोजन आहे, नायट्रोजन कडे लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, तो लगेच देऊन टाकेल. म्हणजे काय तयार होईल, R N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C R. आता कार्बनची व्हॅलेन्सी फुलफिल झाली, पण नायट्रोजन वरती आता पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आला. आता पुढे वॉटर यूज करायचं, H2O. काय यूज करायचं, H2O. सो वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल कोणावरती अटॅक करेल, कार्बन वरती. कार्बन इज लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह. सो R N डबल बॉन्ड C, याचा झाला OH R. हायड्रोजन ऍड होणार नाही, कारण की इथं आपण चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज केलाय, त्याच्यामुळे हा हायड्रोजन इथे येणार नाही. पुढे काय होईल, जस्ट टॉटोमेरिझम. हायड्रोजन इज ट्रान्सफर्ड. सो R NH C डबल बॉन्ड O R. Okay, this is the general mechanism. We're going to discuss mechanism again with some examples. We take some example here. So the first example which is given to you is CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Okay, this is the 2-butanol. When 2-butanol will react with NH2OH. NH2OH is the hydroxyl amine. First of all, it converted into oxime. So you can directly write here oxime, CH3 C double bond N OH, and here CH2 CH3. Okay, after that, so here two types of oximes are formed. This oxime and another is, so this here the OH is here, means OH is anti, opposite to the CH3, and CH3 C double bond N, here is the OH, CH2 CH3. Okay, so there are two possibilities, both are same, both are correct. Okay, so which is foremost, which is less? It depends on migratory aptitude. Okay, so which is major? I already told you a smaller group is major in more effectively. So basically anti group, if directly structure is given to you, okay, here this is the reaction you have to form, you have to prepare. That's why you have two possibilities. But suppose directly oxime which is given to you, so anti group, or which is group exactly anti, this is anti position. Okay, this side OH च्या ह्या पोझिशनला, म्हणजे अँटी पोझिशनला जो ग्रुप असेल तो मायग्रेट करतो. ओके, so there is a two possibilities. Okay, so when we consider these two oximes separately, then we getting the two kind of products, but we consider this one only for the mechanism. So what next? There is a H plus. There is a H plus. When H plus is used, it will pick up the proton and convert CH3 C double bond N, OH converts into good living group. This is into H2O. Here is a CH2 CH3. झाला. पुढे काय करणार? मायग्रेशन. कोणाचं? आता असं ग्रुप नाही बघायचा, कार्बन बॉन्ड दाखवायचा, हा बॉन्डचं मायग्रेशन. लॉस ऑफ water molecule, So after that, what happened? CH3 attached to the nitrogen and carbon having double bond. So due to migration, carbon having positive charge, CH2 CH3 group is already present there. Then what next? Use water molecule, H2O. So water molecule attack here and convert CH3 N double bond C OH CH2 CH3, and in the last you do the tautomerism. याला म्हणतात tautomerism. So what is the product? CH3 NH C double bond O CH2 CH3. So this is the product. Okay. So it is a N substituted amine. So this is a smaller group is migrated over on the larger group. It is the point, and you can consider this. So this is one of the example. We will discuss another example. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. NH2OH. Hydroxylamine. Converted into oxime first. Oxime of cyclohexanone. Then next, what? H plus is given. H plus is given. H2SO4. Pick up the proton. आता मायग्रेशन कोणाचं होईल? कोणाचं मायग्रेशन होईल? Which group is migrate? बोला काय मायग्रेट होईल? अरे बोला मायग्रेशन कोणाचं होईल आता? इथं आहे का काही मायग्रेट व्हायला? सिग्मा बॉन्ड. This bond and this bond. Consider as it is alike alkyl. Bond is migrated. So expansion of ring. Expansion of ring. So 6-member ring after this migration converted into 7-member ring. So here nitrogen double bond 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7-member ring is formed. So nitrogen having the carbon having the positive charge. 7-member ring झाली. कारण की nitrogen also include as a part of the ring due to this migration. Bond तुटला नाही, just this form it depart from this center attached to this. That's why ring is expand. Use H2O. So N double bond C. Here is the OH. Here is the OH. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. आता पुढे काय होणार? Tautomerism. काय होणार? Tautomerism. When there is a tautomerism, it will converted NH C double bond O 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is nothing but it is a caprolactam. It is a caprolactam and cyclic amide called as lactam. Cyclic amide ला काय म्हणतात? Lactam. Point is noted. Cyclic amide called as lactam or caprolactam is formed from cyclohexanone by Beckmann rearrangement. By the Beckmann rearrangement. Okay. So this way you can write the mechanism of this one. Another example. pH C double bond O pH. Suppose SOCl2 is given. Not first, here first NH2OH first. Second is SOCl2 is given. Okay, my mechanism is आता बघा NH2OH. So pH C double bond O pH. What is the first reagent? First reagent is NH2OH. It first of all converted into oxime. Then SOCl2 is given. SOCl2 काय करेल? Replace the OH by the Cl. So pH C double bond N Cl is there. Cl is there. Cl is leaving group. Then it is migrated. It is the migration. And migration झालं का pH N double bond C, here is the positive charge, here is the pH. Use water, it will convert it into pH. N double bond C, here is the OH. And last pH, NH, C double bond O, pH. So mechanism is very easier. So this way you can write the mechanism. So SOCl2 instead of H plus is given. H plus चं पण काम तेच असतं, OH चं गुड लिव्हिंग ग्रुप मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आणि SOCl2 काय करतो, OH ला रिप्लेस करून Cl आणि Cl इज गुड लिव्हिंग ग्रुप. एवढा चेंज आहे. किंवा PCl5 पण दिलेला असेल तरी सेम. ओके. सो लास्ट एक्झाम्पल घेऊन आपण थांबूया. Which product is formed? So here, you know the other things, oxime is formed, H plus, all things. So there is a phenyl and here is a CH3. So CH3 is a smaller which is easily migrated and convert the product as PH C double bond O NH CH3. I just write product in different way, but nitrogen CH3 attached to the nitrogen. Okay, जरी इकडून लिहिलंय किंवा मग असं लिहिलं असतं CH3 NH C double bond O PH. Both are same or different? Both are same or different? Both are same. Okay, so this is all about the Beckmann rearrangement. Some example which is given in exercise or solve the MCQ. So I just ask you one example here about the MCQ, and then we will stop. Okay. There is, okay, cyclohexanone is converted into E-caprolactam. There is option Beckmann rearrangement, Curtis rearrangement, Hofmann rearrangement, or all above. Tell me. Tell me what is answer. Answer is Beckmann rearrangement. काय असेल? Beckmann rearrangement. हे दोघं चॅप्टर आहे तुम्हाला इंटरनल हा. Okay. So we stop here. In tomorrow's lecture we will discuss the Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement, then Pinacol-Pinacolan rearrangement, and Curtius. We already discussed it, but in detail we convert it in taking some examples. So Curtius, their applications we will discuss in next lecture, and Favorsky. So 4 rearrangement we are going to discuss in next 2 lectures. Pinacol-Pinacolan, Baeyer-Villiger, Curtius, and Favorsky. There are 4 rearrangements, so you can read all the 4 rearrangements. Okay, so we stop here.